Okay, so welcome to the ICT GCSE Pathways video. I'm going to be talking to you about the Cambridge National in IT. But first up, what is ICT? So a good way to think about ICT is to consider all the uses of digital tech that exist to help individuals, businesses, organisations use information. So basically anything that's going to restore or manipulate or receive information digitally. So why choose ICT? I'd say if you're enjoying it at Key Stage 3 and you want to learn more about it, if you'd like to join the new course, so this is a brand new course across the Wilden Academy Trust called the Cambridge National in IT. So we've only just started that this year. If you enjoy developing new skills, possibly thinking about taking something IT based at A-level or further, and if you're considering a job in IT, obviously new jobs are developing all the time and lots of them have ICT at its core. So the course content, so it's made up of two, we call them NEA, non-examined assessments. They are worth 60%, and then one final written exam which is worth 40%. And we'll cover applied learning, so applying what we're learning to real world situations. So the exam, the 40% exam, is IT in the real world, and you can see a variety of topics there, from design tools, data, testing, cyber security, and the internet. Here's a little video.
Augmented reality is an enhanced version of the real physical world that is achieved through the use of digital visual elements, sound, or other sensory stimuli. There are many augmented reality use cases we'll see in the future.
So at the moment, Year 8 are following a unit all based around AR, so that's augmented reality, and if they take it at GCSE level, one of the NEAs is actually based around the use of AR, so they will learn about the purposes of AR, they'll design their own augmented reality prototype, they'll create it, and then they'll test and review it. So that one's a pretty exciting one, which the Year 8s are currently enjoying at Deer Park in ICT. And the second NEA is all based around data manipulation using spreadsheets. So again, following a similar style to the first NEA, they'll plan and design some spreadsheet solutions, they'll create, they'll test, and they'll evaluate. So coming up with some future careers, there are quite a few careers that the students could pursue if they were to take the ICT GCSE. From web developer, games designer, it would maybe take them into some kind of analyst, data analyst, database analyst, engineering, so that could be hardware engineering, software. You've got the cyber security specialist, multimedia developer, data scientist. There are lots and lots of roles that they could go into. So I'm Mrs. Yao, the ICT teacher at Deer Park. I'd say speak to me or speak to someone else here if you want to find out more. And just, if there's any questions, just let me know. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.